Interesting facts about lemon. Lemon is medium-sized tree that can reach 20 feet in height. Lemon has evergreen, leathery leaves that are oval or elliptic in shape. Leaves are usually 4 inches long and dark green in color. Lemon has 2 inches wide flowers that are composed of 5 white petioles. Flowers contain both male stamens and female pistil reproductive organs. Various types of insects are in charge for the pollination of flowers. Lemon tree produces oblong, yellow fruit that has sour taste due to high content of citric acid. Certain types of lemon bloom all year round and produce 500 to 600 pounds of fruit per tree each year. Lemon is best known as a rich source of vitamin C. Other than that, lemon contains valuable minerals such as potassium, zinc, calcium and magnesium. Squeezed lemon juice is used for the preparation of lemonade, cocktails and as a meat marinade, especially for fish. Lemon zest is used as ingredient of various salty and sweet dishes. Lemon pickles are integral part of Indian cuisine. Leaves of lemon tree can be consumed in the form of tea. Lemon fruit is used in the production of marmalades and alcoholic beverages, such as vodka. Lemon is used in traditional Indian medicine, Ayurveda, and aromatherapy. Mixture composed of equal amount of warm water and lemon juice is used as a homemade remedy for sore throat. It is used for gargling because it possesses antibacterial properties. Lemon can be used as cleaning agent. Slice of lemon dipped in a baking powder removes stains and enhances luster of copper cookware. Oil extracted from the lemon skin contains chemicals which repel insects. Because of that, lemon oil is used in the production of non-toxic insecticide. Lemon can be used as a battery. Dipping of electrodes into the fruit produces energy that is high enough to run small digital watch. Lemon tree can survive more than 100 years, but production of fruit ceases after 50 years.